Book 7, Jesus Hemi Lord and Saviour. All kata friend, was we this falman o kata kolem long Jesus him really pikinin blong God? O kata miracles hemi wokem, hemi true, hemi show him yumi, hemi from God. Time you listen long cassette, you look long o kata picture inside long this fala pink book. Time you hear him sound, you turn him long nara picture. Picture 1, time Jesus hemi born. John chapter 1 verse 1 go kasem verse 14, Luke chapter 2, Colossians chapter 1 verse 16. Plan the year go finish long Israel, Jesus hem born inside long house blong okatabul Macau. But hem no one fala ordinary baby, hem one fala important baby to mas. Mami blong hem one fala young girl ya, and hem no sleep yet with him any man, name blong hem Mary. But daddy blong hem this fala true God. Jesus hem stop life yet before. But hemi come and hem born long this fal ground, or sim no more o kata pikinin blong yumi o kata man long this fal ground. Hem stop waiting God long start blong this fal world. Jesus hem walk him this fal world too. Hem na hem give him life from God long to fala first man and woman. No matter also o kata people ya, o kata lose him this fala spirit life because o kata choose for follow him o kata way belong Satan and die. Instead lo follow him way belong God. Jesus him come long this fala ground and him born also baby make him show him God long yumi. Him come for show him yumi also yumi pikinini belong God too. Picture 2, Jesus hem tanem water go long wine. John chapter 2 verse 1 go kasem verse 11. Jesus hem grow and hem become big fella man now. One fella day hem stop waiting mommy blong him and okata friends blong him long one fella married feast. Mary hem save Jesus hem pikinin blong God ya. And time wine hem finish, hem tell him Jesus about him. And him say long okata workman ya, you fal dream no more one him tell him you fala. Hem garem 6 fala container lo wata hem stop waiting oketa. Jesus him say lo oketa workman ya, you fal fill him oketa container ya waiting wata. Oketa dream. And him say long oketa, you fal take him some fal water and take him go long master long feast ya. Water ya him tan long good fala wine now. This time okata friends blow Jesus okata look him now him garem big fala power from God. Also him now okata believe long him now. Picture 3, Jesus him talk with him Nicodemus. John chapter 3 verse 1 go kasem verse 36. Nicodemus him one fala important teacher ya. Hem hear him about Jesus him save make him okata miracle. Hem save also him Jesus him must from God. So one fala night him go long Jesus and him ask him about God. Jesus him say long him, me tell him you true fal something. No one save look him kingdom belong God unless him be born again. Nicodemus him ask him Jesus also him, how now man by him born again more something him big finish ya. And Jesus him talk also him long him. Time pikinin him born long man, him garem life belong physical side. Jesus him say long him, man him must born long spirit belong God. Then him garem life belong spirit. Okata we believe and obey him Jesus okat born again. And by okata stop all the way long life belong spirit. But okata we no believe long Jesus by okata stop long spirit belong die. Picture 4, one fala ruler him come and him kneel before Jesus. John chapter 4 verse 46 to 54. One him now you do him suppose pikinin blong you him sick to mas. This fala man him walk about long way to mas for find him Jesus. Him one fala important ruler ya but him ask him Jesus and him say, big man, you come before pikinin blong me him die. And Jesus him say long him, you go, pikinin blong you him life now. This falman him believe long Jesus and him go back long home. Time him we go yet long road, workman blong him come and him meet him long road. Him tell him that boy blow him life now. Same time Jesus him is same this fal word, pikinin blow him alright now. And that time this falaman and family blow him okata believe that Jesus him from God. Picture 5. This fala sick man where him stop long one fala pool. John chapter 5 verse 1 go kasim 47. Inside long city belong Jerusalem hem garem one fala pool. Some fala time okata people okata believe that this fala water hem save heal him okata sick people. One fala man hem sick for 38 years. Jesus him look him long side belong water ya and him say, "What's way you like for heal?" And this falman him say, "But me no garem one falman for take me go long water ya." And Jesus him say long him, "You get up, take a mat belong you and you walk about." And this fala time mania him heal now. Some fal people okata look him now okat cross to mas long Jesus. Because him heal him this fala sick man long holiday belong God. This fala day, hemi day where okata Jews okata stop from work and okata worship him God. Jesus him like for show him okata that him son belong God ya. Him garem right for heal him okata man long day belong God. But okata no like believe him. Picture 6. Jesus him feed him 5,000 people. John chapter 6 verse 1 go kasim 15 verse 25 go kasim 58. Staka people okata hear him about Jesus him save heal him okata sick people. One fala day okata big crowd okata follow him long way place. Long evening long day ya Jesus him say long okata friend belong him. Long wena ba yumi ba him kay forgive him okat people ya. One fal man him say, one fal small boy lo here him garem 5 fala bread and 2 fal fish. Hamas people no mo ba kay. This time Jesus him make him okat people ya sit down now. Him take him bread ya and fish ya. Him bless him this fala fish and bread and him give him okat people okat kay gogo okat full up to mas. And Jesus him say long okat people, "You no work for kay where him save finish, but you work for kay where him give him life. Me now me bread long life. Man him come long me him no save hungry." Picture 7. Jesus him walk about on top long water. John chapter 6 verse 15 go kasim verse 21. After Jesus him feed him okata people, him tell him okata friends blow him for okata go home. Jesus him go seleva and him pray for God. Okata friends blow him okat go inside long one fal boat and okata go across long lake. Big fala dark and storm him meet him all keta long lake. This fal time Jesus him walk about come long all keta on top long water. Okata mania fright for good. Okata ting say Jesus ya him one fal spirit ya. And Jesus him say long all keta, "Me no more ya, you fal no fright." And Jesus him go inside boat with him okata no more storm ya him finish now. This time okat friend ya look him more that Jesus him got him power from God. Picture 8. Jesus him heal him one fala blind man. John chapter 9 verse 1 go kasim 41. One fala man time him born I blow him blind now. Okat friend blow Jesus okat look him this fala blind man ya and okat say punishment ya him from God ya. And Jesus him say long okata, this fala man ya him born I blow him blind and him mean him something ya. This one him happen so that all keta look him, God him got him power for healing him. Jesus him spit long ground and him make him mad. hem putim madia long eye blong blind mania. And Jesus him say long him, you go and wash him eye blong you. Tai mania him go wash him eye blong him come back him look now. Friends, this falman him garem physical blind ya. But you me everyone, you me blind long spirit blong God ya, because you me no looking way for God. At Jesus him say long you me, him now him light blong this fal world. Who now him following me, him no sabe walk about long dark. But by him garem light blong life. Picture 9. Jesus hemi make him Lazarus hemi life again. John chapter 11 verse 1 go kasim verse 46. Jesus him love him to mas Lazarus and to fal sister blow him Mary and Martha. Lazarus him sick to mas, but Jesus him no go look him time him hear him sick. After some fal days finish, Jesus him say lo o the disciples blow him. Lazarus him die finish. Me happy that me no stop lo there. This one him help him you for you believe long me. But let him you me go for look him. Time Jesus him come, Lazarus him die finish and okata put him lo grave 4 days finish. Tufal sister blow him tufal sorry to mas because Jesus him no come for heal him. But Jesus him say lo tufala, brata blow you tufal by him life again ya. And him tell him okat people for open him this fal grave. And then Jesus him sing out long Lazarus and him say, Lazarus you come out. Time Lazarus him come out, okat takaleko okat kavam lo him stop yet. Anyone who him believe long Jesus, no matter him die long body, but by him life all the way. Was where you believe long this fella? Picture 10. Jesus him die long cross. John chapter 18 verse 1 go kasim chapter 19 verse 42. Okay the miracles where Jesus him do him prove him that him picking blong God. But okay the leader long Jews ya, okay the jealous too much and okay the one to kill him. Jesus him tell him lo okay the friends blong him that him must die and behind by him send him come spirit blong him long all kita. Him no more only way where him must bring him okay the man and woman come back long God. Judas him one falaman where him follow him but him give him long okay the enemy. Him take him okay the money from okay the Jew and him tell him okay the where now Jesus him stop. So okay the come and take him Jesus now. Peter and okay the friends okay the run away. Big fal leader okay no find him any wrong long Jesus ya. But okay Jew ya okay sing out and okay say you fall kill him, you fall kill him. And you may say okay people okay to kill him this fella picking in blong God where him no garem wrong. To fall man where okay save still to fall die waiting him. To fall mania die for okay to sin blong to falla. But Jesus him die for okay to sin blong you and okay to sin blong me. Jesus him one falla straight falla sacrifice where God him make him for okay to sin blong you me. Picture 11. Mary and Jesus to fall long berry ground. John chapter 19 verse 42, chapter 20 verse 18. Body belong Jesus okay to put him inside long berry ground. One fall big fall stone okay to roll him and set him door belong him. Make it 3 days after Jesus him die, Mary him go long this fall berry ground. Time Mary him go there, him look him this fall stone him roll away now and body belong Jesus him no stop there. Mary him start for cry now. Him bend down and him look go inside lot berry ground. To fall angel to fall sit down long where Jesus him been stop. And Jesus him appear long Mary and him say, who now you look out him? Mary him think say him man him sa walk lo garden ya. And him ask him for body belong Jesus. And this fall time no more Jesus him say long Mary, Mary. Quick time no more him look sawe that Jesus him life now. You go long oketa friend blong me and tell him oketa that me life now. Dai hemi no holim this fala pikinin blong God where him stop all time. Picture 12. Jesus him appear long all keta friends blong him. John chapter 20 verse 30, chapter 21 verse 19. Before Jesus him go back long heaven, him working more narafal miracle. One fala night oketa friends go fishing, but oketa no kasim any fish. Long early morning one fala man him appear for oketa long seaside. Him talem oketa where now place for toroim net blong oketa and oketa kasim fish. And oketa friends ya sabe now that this falmania him Jesus ya. Oketa take him go oketa fish ya long shore. Jesus him make rere lo sam fala kai for oketa. After oketa kai finish him tok wait him oketa. Peter him been run away from Jesus time oketa hold him. But this time him say, you follow me. Him tell him Peter for care for oketa people belong him and him must teach him all keta about him. Jesus him like him oketa people for him oketa miracles him make him oketa people must believe in him. Then oketa must follow him and oketa garem life where him stop all time. Jesus him Saviour. All kata friend true to mas, Jesus him big fala Saviour belong you me. Him saving you me from sin and him saving you me for life where him stop all way. Picture 13, Jesus him teach him to fala friend. Luke chapter 24 verse 13 go kasim verse 35. Staka people oketa believe that Jesus by hemi save him oketa from oketa Rome where oketa treat him oketa no good to mas. But oket man lo Rome now oketa kill him Jesus. This fella him make him oket people ya hope blo oketa him go away now. After this fella to fella friends to fella walk about go back long home blo to fella. Sek no more Jesus him appear long to fella. Tufal tell him about oketa something where him happen because Tufal think say him one fal man nothing no more ya. Also now Jesus him talk long Tufal about word belong God. Moses and oketa tisa oketa been right about one him by happen long Jesus plan the year before. Oketa right about that him by suffer and him die. And oketa right and say too that him by life again and him now by ruling kingdom belong God. Quick time no more to fall friend ya just think him that word belong God hemi true. This fal man nothing ya now hemi Jesus seleva ya. Hemi life more. You me everyone must hear him too. What now Jesus him seleva him teach him long okata people time hemi stop long this fal earth. Picture 14. One fala boy hemi stop waiting okata pigs. Luke chapter 15 verse 11 go kasim verse 19. Jesus him tell more one fala story about one fala man who him garem two fala boy. Yang fal boy ya him say long father blow him. Giving me share belong me long okata something where you me garem long family. Also now this fal man ya him share him now okata something where okata garem inside lo family blow okata. This fala time this fal young fal boy ya him go long far away country. Him wasting money belong him long all get something no good no more. Time big fal hungry him come long this fala land. This time this fal boy him no garem any something now. So one fal man him say long him for him go and him look out him or the pig blow him. This fal time boy him hungry too much and him kai came too kai blow at pigs. This time him thinking now and him say even okat workman blow father blow me okat garem plan de kai for kai mia. This time him think seleva and him say, this time he must go back long father blow me now. Time him go back, him say lo father blow him. Father me sin against him you. I think him no good for you calling me son blong you. Making me no more for me also one fella walk boy blong you now. Picture 15. This fella lose Sanya, him come back lo home now. Luke chapter 15, verse 20, go kasem verse 32. This fella boy, him go back now lo father blow him. Time him ikakam long way yet, father blow him, Luke save lo him now. Father blow him run go for meet him, kas hol him, and him kiss him. Him call him okata workman blow him, take him come sote and okata put him lo him, and make him good fal kai. Father blow this fal boy him say, you me must happy, because this fal picking blow me him die finish, him life more. Friends, Jesus him tell him you me, God him also him this fella father. You me also him this fella son, where him sin and him go away. But God him love him you me, and him wait for you me come back long him. Him willing for forgive him you me. Jesus him come for save him you me from sin and die. Him now him wait for you me go back long father blow you me. Picture 16. One fella rich man. Luke chapter 12 verse 13 go kasim verse 34. Jesus him tell him okata people about this fella story. This fella rich man him garden plenty fruit inside long garden belong him. Him build him one fella big fella house for keep him okata fruit ya inside. And him sell him seleva. You garden plenty kay now for plenty year. You stop happy no more and you kay no more. Life him easy no more. But God him say long him. You karange, this fall night by you die. Who now by take him okat something ya you garem for you seleva. Jesus him say, you me no worry about him. Something for you me kay and kaleko for you me wear him. You me must think strong no more long way for you me make him God him happy. All kita friend, time you me share him o kata something with him o kata poor people, God him happy too much. God bye him give him o kata something where you me need him now and riches long heaven. Picture 17. Man where him is ask him something, and rich man. Luke chapter 16 verse 19 to 31. Jesus him tell him one fella story about one fella rich man long Jew who him garem every something where him like him. Him no worry no more long this fella man where him save ask him okat something outside long house blow him. This fella man him save ask him okat something him die now. And this fella man him go long this fella good fella place long heaven. Him stop with him Abraham. Time this fella rich man him die, him go long place belong fire and him suffer too much. Him sing out for Abraham, him tell him this fella man him save ask him okat something for come help him. But Abraham him say, him garim one fella big fella space male one long you and me fella. Okat man like go long you okat no enough. No anyone long you, him save come long me fella long heaven. Okay, friends, you me must follow God long this fella life. Then you must have a go long heaven, time you may die. So believe long Jesus, make him you save. Picture 18. One fella friend him come long door. Luke chapter 11 verse 5 go kasim verse 13. One fella night, one fella friend him go long house belong friend blow him and him ask him bread. One fella man him come long house blow me, but me no garem any more bread. This fella friend him sleep finish with him okata picking blong him lo bed. And him no like get up. But this fella man him no fright, him go ahead for ask him friend blow him. So this fella friend him get up now and him give him what now him ask him. Jesus him say, you me no ask too much long God, because him good for father belong you me, and him is serve long every something you me need him. What him like him now, him like him you me must ask him all the way long prayer. Picture 19. Two falman inside long house blong God. Luke chapter 18 verse 9 go kasem verse 14. Waswe, God him save herem oketahu save kam lohem long prayer? One falman inside long this fala picture, hemi prayer and him talem plan de something to mas. Hem like show him or same him now him true. Hemi pray and him say long God, him now him good then nara falmania. Was where you think God him happy with him this falman? One falman hemi man for take him tax. Hemi save steal him money block at people. Hemi save that way him make him no make him God him happy. Him hit him chest blow him and him bow down and him prayer. And him say long God, God you sorry lo me man me save make him sin. And Jesus him say, God him hear him prayer belong this falman. And him forgive him sin belong him. God him no save hear him prayer belong okata man we okata proud, but him hear him prayer belong okata man we okat humble long spirit. Picture 20. One falaman hemi plant him okata seed belong him. Luke chapter 8 verse 4 go kasem verse 8. Jesus him teach him plant the people and him say, one fal farmer him go out and him plant him okat seed blow him. Some fala seed okat fall down no more road okat a bird come and kai him. Some fala seed okat grow melwan lo okat a stone. And time okat a grow come up okat a die out because okat no garem water. Some fala seed okat a grow melwan long okat a rubbish seed. Okata nara seed fall down melwan long olketa nila grass where okata grow and kill him olketa. But some fala seed fall down long good fal ground. Okata grow up and garem 100 fala time more. Jesus him say long okat people, who hemi garim iya, let him herem okata tok ya now. Plan the people okata herem this fal story, but okata no save meaning blong him. Was way? You hear him this fala story and you save too? Picture 21. Okata seed, okata grow. Luke chapter 8 verse 9 go kasem verse 15. Okat friend blow Jesus okat ask him for meaning blow this fala story. And him say, okat seed ya now him word blong God. Okat where fall down long side blong road, him meaning him now okat where hear him talk blong God. And then devil him come and him take away word blong God. Make him okat no believe long God and okat no save. Okat where fall down long rock, hemi minim okat where take him word blong God for life blong okata. Okata seed where fall down long rock, hem minim okata man where okata hear him word blong God, but okat no put him inside long heart blow okata. Okata seed where grow with him nila grass, hemi minim okata man where life blow okata hem full up long worry and riches no more. Good fala ground ya hem minim okata people where okata hear him word blong God and okata take him for life blong okata. Was way you feel like obey him okata tok ya, or you feel like lose? Or you like believe long word blong God and make him happy? Picture 22. Help for man where him garem kill. Luke chapter 10 verse 25 verse 37. How now by you save that you save for life where him stop all time. Bible him teach him you that you must love him God and love him okata man. But who now okat people where you should love him all keta? Jesus him tell him one fala story about one fala man who him follow him one fala road where okata man okat no save go to maslo him. Some falman okata hold him this falman okata hit him and okata take him okata something where him garem. Okata lose him there and him calls up die now. Tufal leader man long church tufal come calls up long him. Tufal look him but tufal no like help him. One falaman him no leader man long church, him come and him look him. And sorry to mas long him and him dress him okata cut long body blow him. Hem put him long donkey blong him, and hem carry him go long town. Jesus him say, suppose you me love him God, you me help him, anyone no more where him garim need.
Picture 23. Honor blood is a house, hemi come back. Luke 12, verse 35, go kasem verse 48. Was where you have tell him that Jesus hemi come back live again after hemi die? Flane people too much look him before hemi go back long heaven. Hemi tell him ogata that Baba hemi come back again. Hemi say imi must awesome ogata man we ogata wait for boss blogata for come back. Imi no saw long time Jesus Baba hemi come back. Imi must work for him, and Imi ready for welcoming him time hemi arrive. That for a time, Baba hemi rare him one for a big for a party for him everyone. Hemi one for a big for a time for happy. Jesus hemi tell him too that ogata man wogata in charge logat people belong him must ready. Hemi say sabas ogata look out ogata something belong him good, and ogata work boy belong him ogata by receiving big for a reward. But suppose ogata faith no mo ogata work boy belong him and ogata darang no mo, baba punishment ogata baba him big too much. Picture 24, one for a man, antablo one for a tree. Luke 19, verse 1 go kasem verse 10. Jesus himself save him anyone. You hear him this one. Sakes he one for a rich man too much. He man blood take him takis. He one for a man for steal. He may like look him Jesus, but he me short because flan man ogata stop. Sakes he may go up one for a tree, for he must look him Jesus. Time Jesus he may come no more, he may look go up and he may say, Sakes, you must come down man, by me stop long house blue this time yeah. Ogata people surprised to us because Sakes him no one for a good for a man. Sakes hemi calm down no more, and hemi happy to much for taking Jesus go long house belong him. Hemi tell him Jesus that hemi baba son is now, and hemi son is from ogata way belong him. Jesus hemi say, today na you safe and ogata man long this house. Jesus hemi come for look out him and save him anyone where hemi far away too much from God.